The process begins by preparing the broken edges and cleaning the voids. Care is taken to minimize damage to adjacent surfaces. The majority of the floor is largely intact. Therefore, the necessary work is done precisely to only repair the affected areas. Being prepared is a low-odor patching resin. This product provides the installer the option of color matching the patch. The patching resin is placed into the voids carefully. This is a time-consuming process. The floor contains more than one colored tile. This means more than a one-color patch is necessary. Each area needing treatment requires attention to detail and precision. Once the patch has sufficient time to cure, the overfill is sanded. Here too, it's necessary to treat each patch carefully. Sanding down the patch does take time, but too aggressive profiling can detract from the final result. And that's about it. Slate tile floor patching.